Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have x into bracket x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 5 plus 1 over x is equal to 9. And here, what to solve for the value of x. Okay, to solve this, solution. So the question is x into bracket x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 5 plus 1 over x, this equal 9. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to multiply the equation left and right side by x. So multiply this by x and also multiply this with x, such that multiplying this, x times this will give us x squared into bracket x minus 4 times x minus 5, then plus x times this will give us x times 1 over x, and this equals 9 times x is 9x. And from here we have x squared into bracket x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 5 plus x cancel x, we have 1, this equal 9x. Now from here let us open this bracket. So we have x squared into bracket x times x is x squared, x times minus 5 minus 5x minus 4 times x minus 4x minus 4 times minus 5 plus 20. Then we have plus 1. This equal 9x. With this, we have x squared into bracket x squared, then minus 5x minus 4x, that equal minus 9x, then plus 20, then plus 1. Move minus 9x over to this side, it becomes minus 9x, equal, here becomes 0. From here, x squared will multiply this bracket, so we have x squared times x squared, x raised to power 4, x squared times minus 9x, minus 9x raised to power 3, x squared times 20 plus 20x squared, then we have plus 1, then minus 9x, and this equal 0. So at this junction, the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to divide this equation by x raised to power 2. So divide this by x raised to power 2, x power of 2, x squared over x squared. And if we do this, x raised to power 4 divided by x raised to power 2, the value equals x raised to power 2, then minus 9x cubed over x squared, the value will give us 9x, then plus x squared cancel x squared, we have 20 plus 1 over x squared, then x, we cancel one of these x, we have minus 9 over x, this equals 0 over this is simply 0. So from here, we are going to rearrange this in this way, bring x squared and 1 over x squared to each other, and also minus 9x and minus 9 over x to each other. So we have this x squared plus 1 over x squared, and also we have minus 9x, then minus 9 over x. Also we have plus 20, and this equal 0. So from here, looking at this right here, is in the form of a squared plus b squared, and a squared plus b squared equals in brackets a plus b all squared minus 2ab. So in this case, expanding this, we have in brackets x plus 1 over x all squared minus 2 times x times 1 over x. Then factorizing out minus 9 from this, we have minus 9 into bracket, we are left with x plus 1 over x. Okay, then we have plus 20, we have plus 20, and this equals 0. So from here, in brackets, x plus 1 over x all squared, then minus x, we cancel one of these x, minus 2 times 1, we have minus 2, then minus 9 into bracket x plus 1 over x, then plus 20, this equals 0. Okay, so with this, we are then going to say let m equal x plus 1 over x. We have this here, we have this here. So in place of x plus 1 over x, we replace it with m. So this becomes m squared, then minus 9. This also becomes m. Also, minus 2 plus 20, it will give us plus 18, and this equals 0. Solving this further, we have m squared minus 9m can be written as minus 6m minus 3m plus 18, and this equals 0. So with this, we are then going to factorize out m from this. So we have m into bracket m minus 6, and also from here, factorize out minus 3 into bracket. We're going to be left with m minus 6, and this equals 0. From here, we have a common factor, m minus 6, pick 1, we have m minus 6, and then group m and minus 3 into one bracket, m minus 3, and this equals 0. So from here, we have m minus 6 equals 0, or m minus 3 equals 0. With this, m is equal to 6 and m is equal to plus 3. Okay, now to then solve for x, recall that from here we said let m equals x plus 1 over x, right? So to then solve for x, recall that m is equal to x plus 1 over x. So for the value of m as 6, and putting this value into this, m is 6 equals to x plus 1 over x. X can be written as over 1, so that we look for the LCM of 1 and x, which is simply x. When we divide x times x is x squared, plus x we divide x, 1 times 1 is 1. So cross multiplying, 6 times x is 6x, which equals x squared plus 1. And with this, if we move this over to this side, we have 0 equals x squared minus 6x plus 1. So this becomes x squared minus 6x plus 1 equals 0. To then solve this equation, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula, which is given by s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this equation, the value of a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 6, while the value of c is the constant, which is plus 1. So inputting these values into the formula, what we have for the solution for x is equal to minus b is minus 6 plus or minus square root b squared. B is minus 6, so minus 6 all squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 1, then all over 2 times a is 1. And from here, s is equal to minus times minus 6 is plus 6, plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared is simply 36, then minus 4 times 1, 4, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 32 all over 2. And from here, the value of x is equal to 6 plus or minus, we can write root 32 as root 16 times 2, then all over 2. So x is equal to 6 plus or minus root 16 times root 2 all over 2. X is then equal to 6 plus or minus 4 times root 2 all over 2. And from here, we can factorize out 2. So x is equal to 2 into bracket 3 plus or minus 2 root 2, okay, all over 2. Such that with this, the solution for x is equal to 2. We divide these 2, we have 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. So the first value of x equals 3 plus 2 root 2, while the second solution for x equals 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, now don't forget that we got these two values from here, from the value of m to equal 6 when we inserted m equals 6 into this equation. So the next one is to then solve for the value of x, but then when m is equal to 3. So inputting the value of m as 3 right here, we have that since m is 3 equals x plus 1 over x, to then solve for x can be written as over 1, right? So simply look for the LCM of 1 and x, which is simply x. When we divide x times x squared plus x we divide x, 1 times 1 is 1. 3 can be written as over 1. Then simply cross multiply 3 times x, 3x equals 1 times 6, x squared plus 1. And from here, if we move 3x over to this side, what we have is this: x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. So looking at this, we have a quadratic equation. To then solve this, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula, which is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 3, while the value of c is the constant, which is plus 1. So imputing the value of abc into the formula, x is then equal to minus b is minus 3, then plus or minus square root b squared, b is minus 3 all squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 1, then all over 2 times a is 1. From here, x is equal to minus times minus 3 is plus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times 1 minus 4, all over 2 times 1 is 2. And with this, the value of x is equal to 3 plus or minus root 9 minus 4 is 5 all over 2. Okay, so with this, we have gotten the third solution for the value of x. So from here, these are the solutions for the value of x. This is the first solution, the second solution, and then the third solution for the value of x. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do well to like this video, share this video to your friends, and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.